Hey guys, get ready for another great adventure. I'm here in front of the Sawmill Market. Essentially, a great place with a huge assortment of restaurants for your dining pleasure. They have a plethora of variety. Let's just start off in the front here.
Yee. Let's go. A few moments later.
As you can see, outside dining, if you want to enjoy the weather, which is most of the time very, very nice. We are in the middle of monsoon season now, and it has rained over the last 2 or 3 days. But the nice thing is in Albuquerque, if you wait 10 or 15 minutes, usually the rainstorm is over and we'll get back to normal. And it cools everything down. Some more. And all right, we're gonna go inside. Nice foyer. Greeted at the Mercantile Cafe. Breakfast burritos, sandwiches, that sort of thing. Let's see right there. Salads, nice seating area inside. Everything is air conditioned because it does get very hot out here. We're gonna go this way first of culantro. Spring rolls, pho, Asian fusion, skewers. Awesome! Next, we're headed to a place called Flora, and this is where they'll have tacos, Mexican, that kind of thing, but more of New Mexican. Now this place does get very busy, so they do have a seating area over here to the right. There is also, if you can see it, a seating area up on top so that you can look around the whole market. There's the stairs themselves.
Bro, you don't say.
We're now passing a restaurant called Tulepani, great pasta place. Albuquerque and New Mexico are known for their chefs. If you ever watch the Food Network, we have a great number of chefs who actually go on and try to compete on their shows. And for a long time, the Food Network was coming out to Albuquerque and Santa Fe to get new talent. And this is what we do with it. Tulepani, and you can see the pasta. Gluten-free, spinach, creamy lemon. Walking down, bean to bar. Very, very nice. Chocolatiers. It's all local. The chocolate menu. Salty catch as to seafood. You can see the gumbo. Shrimp po' boy. New Mexico Melt Company, again, very big on green chili. Green chili melt. Turkey melt. Remember, in this state, the big question is always red or green. We're referring to your chili. If you want both, you can say Christmas, and then they'll either separated out, red and green, or they'll just mix it all together and come in a block. There's the ice creams. About anywhere from about $6 to $8 or $9 for the ice cream. Very refreshing on a cool day. Again, inside seating. You can see everybody enjoying this. And the weird part is, guys, this is Monday at 2 o'clock. So, it still is very busy. Again, the stone, excuse me, the wood-fired pizza. And that pizza oven, I think, comes from Italy. You can have a sea of the things called Hot Pizza Company. On Saturday and Sunday, they'll have vendors, artisans, artists, of course, come into the Sawmill. And this is the section where they set up. Now, it's a good idea that you always ask for the person who's there, especially an artist, if they look like they're native, if it's okay for you to take their picture. Of course, how could you not start off your day without some excellent, excellent coffee? Way better than Starbucks. I'm kidding, if you like Starbucks, you like Starbucks. This coffee is very, very good. Blue Door Patisserie. Again, Albuquerque is very, very big on having some really wonderful food.
That's all good.
Of course, it wouldn't be complete without having the children get some waffles. Look at the line for this. Well, if you have a kid and want to bring them down and they can't stop screaming, bring them to the waffle store right here. Look at the line.
Really?
For us adults, you might want to check out the Botanic Bar. And you can already see the Tanqueray, the Bombay, Maker's Mark, Knob Creek, Bullet, Grey Goose, Kettle One. Again, on vacation, relax. Albuquerque is one of those really nice places where you can just unwind. Butcher shop. Now they're also serving burgers.
Boom!
Hamburgers. Looking very, very good. Well, if you went to the big bar and grabbing your Bombay and Knob Creek, well, off at the beer garden over here. New Mexico has a lot of independent brewers. We really got into the brewing, and from that stemmed out places like La Cumbre, Marble, Santa Fe Brewing Company, Boxing Bear. It just goes on and on and on. And these are some really unique, great tastes. No, they're not the Corona or the Bud Light. But in this neck of the woods, it's all about flavor, sabor.
Bueno.
A beer, aka cerveza. Wow. I'll tell you, you're really going to enjoy it. Really, really nice. we focus in on IPAs, and in the fall and winter time we'll go to the darker ones. But if you're here in the summertime, IPA, my opinion, way to go. However, some of the dark ones, and they still have pale ales and that kind of stuff, you won't be disappointed. Also, for Albuquerque, we do have a lot of folks who come from South America. We'll find people from Costa Rica, Guatemala, Nicaragua. Here, we have Venezuela. And Venezuela, they're doing the empanadas, but the Venezuelan way. Look how yummy all this stuff looks. Es rico. Es rico. Thank you for checking out this channel. I really do appreciate it. It's really a lot of fun making these videos and showing people what this state really has to offer, besides just being a blip on a map, or some people thinking that it's not even a part of the United States. It's been a lot of fun. If you like the content, please remember to subscribe, click the notifications, and hit that like button. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much.
Bye. Surprise! Bye.